So the development of artificial intelligence generates an explosive growth of data and consume a growing amount of energy. So to address this issue, the only solution is to develop new digital memories that store more data and consume less energy. Today, the only solution is MRAM, an emerging ultra-low power memory that consumes less energy and has the potential to replace all existing memories. However, the storage density is still too low. So to address this issue, spin-ion technology provides a green manufacturing process based on ion beam treatment to improve the structural quality of magnetic material. And this process enables the storage density of MRAM to be increased by a factor of 10. And the goal of spin-ion technology is to become the leader in MRAM magnetic material by inserting its process on the production line of memory manufacturer through eco-efficient equipment. So to build a more sustainable digital world, spin-ion technology enables not only ultra-low power digital memory, but also an eco-efficient manufacturing process to fabricate magnetic materials.